Okay, Fourier series. We reach to this one. Any periodic signal x of t, I can write it as DC component plus summation of alpha k cosine k omega naught t plus beta k sine k omega naught t. Okay, for k from 1 to infinity. طيب سستي. By the way, in the note, it's written Cn. Okay, Cn, it's equal to alpha. Okay, so instead of in the note, instead of k, it's used n. That's the shape. Okay, beta, it is equal to bn. Or d, sorry. Not مكتوبة b. bn is equal to beta k. بس هاي اختلاف الرموز. طيب. We know that نقول x alpha cosine for example x anything plus beta multiplied by sine of x. This is from chapter 1 or chapter 2. We derive this formula. We say that if we have alpha cosine x plus b sine x, this is exactly same as this one, same frequency. Then I can write it as it is equal to a cosine x minus theta, where a it is equal to alpha square plus beta square under root, and theta it is equal to tan inverse of beta divided by alpha. So then I can rewrite this one as it is equal to a naught plus summation of, it is ak, where ak is equal to alpha k plus beta k, alpha square plus beta square under root, cosine k omega naught t, same x, okay, minus theta k, where k is from 1 to infinity. This is another form for Fourier series. So this is one form, this is another form. طيب. Also, see this one, this is alpha cosine. Alpha cosine, I can write it as it is alpha multiplied by cosine is equal to, use Euler identity, it is j theta plus e to the power of minus j theta divided by 2 plus beta of k e to the power of j theta minus e to the power of minus j theta divided by j2. Okay, if you take e to the power of j theta common between those two, then from here it's left e to the power of j theta. So from here we have alpha divided by 2. Alpha divided by 2. From here, it is beta divided by j2, and 1 over j, it is minus j beta divided by 2. Similarly, if you take e to the power of minus j theta as a common, then from here, you have alpha over 2. From here, it is minus beta divided by j2, which is equal to plus j beta. Okay, لاحظ الآتي. This one and this is positive and this is negative. Positive j, negative j, then this is conjugate. Similarly, if we name this one as AK, then this one, it is conjugate of AK. So AK conjugate. So this is minus JB and this is plus JB. طيب. We can write this one as equal to summation. It is AK e to the power of j theta. Theta is the angle, which is equal to j k omega naught t. Okay. Again, it is for k from 1 to infinity. So for this part. But for this part, I have to go from minus infinity to 1. And we have a naught. So I can include all these, this part, inside. So then I can write it as k from minus infinity to plus infinity. So when k is positive, then 1, 2, 3, 4, so then we will get this term. Okay, when k is negative, then we will get this term. So which means that when a is negative, then I should get this. So then a conjugate is equal to a minus k. Okay, what's about a0? When k is equal to 0, then this term equal to 1, so then it becomes a0, so it's the same thing. So then by putting k from minus infinity to plus infinity, we include everything. 0, positive, and negative. طيب. This is, we call it form number 1. This is, we call it form number 2 for Fourier series. This is form number 3. Okay, it is only one form actually, but the others you can get it directly from the form. For example, if you know this, you should know how to find form number 2 and form number 3. Okay, from where? From this relation. Okay, هذه العلاقة. This is relation between 2 and 3. And this is a relation between 1 and 2. So let me take example here. Example. Suppose x of t equal to 2a divided by pi summation of k from minus infinity to plus infinity of 1 over jk e to the power of jk omega naught t. Okay, which form is this one? Well, it is similar to form number 1. Okay, where ak, it is, if you take this one inside, so which is constant, if you take it inside, then multiplied by 1 over jk, you will get ak. So then this is form number 1, where ak equal to 2a divided by j k pi. Okay. I want to find form number 2 and form number 3. Okay, we want to find form number 2 and form number 3. طيب. So to find form number 2, as we said that from here, ak, it's equal to alpha k minus j beta k divided by 2. So we need to find alpha and beta. Okay, so we need to find alpha and beta. بالمناسبة, this is k belongs to odd. طيب. So which means that this is also its odd part from k. طيب. So let me put it in this form. So then this is equal to, if you take j up, then it becomes minus j multiplied by 2a divided by k pi. Okay, real part equal to 0. It means that this is alpha k, and it is alpha k divided by 2. It's equal to a, and minus j, the minus j, beta divided by 2 equal to this one. So then this is equal to beta k divided by 2. So from here, then alpha k equal to 0. From here, so beta k equal to multiplied by 2, so it is 4a divided by k pi. So then form number 2, x of t equal to, form number 2, it's a naught. Okay, but this one, it's written k belongs to odd. It means that even part equal to 0, so which means that a naught equal to 0. فهي راحت. Okay, alpha equal to 0. Alpha equal to 0. So then we don't have this part as well. So only we have beta multiplied by sine k omega naught t. So then x of t, it's equal to summation of beta for a divided by k pi sine k omega naught t. Okay, for k it's equal to, form number 2, it's not from minus infinity to infinity, it is from 1 to infinity. Okay, so then it is k from 1 to infinity. Okay, also you can take 4a divided by pi outside as a constant, so this is 4a divided by pi, so here left only 1 over k. So this is form number 2. Okay, how to find form number 3? So form number 3, again, we need a naught, but a naught equal to 0, so we can get it from form number 2. For form number 3, we need A and theta. How to get A capital? A capital, it is equal to alpha square plus beta square under root. And theta, it is equal to tan inverse beta divided by alpha. طيب. So to get form number 3, alpha, it's equal to 0. Beta, so equal to 4a divided by k pi. By the way, even though you can directly write it from here, because it is only sine, and we want to change it to cosine. So changing this one to cosine, then it is equal to, what is the relation? 4a divided by pi, summation k from 1 to infinity, 1 over k, is cosine k omega naught t. How to change this sine to cosine? Just subtract 90 degrees. And that's all. This is form number 3. This is exactly this one. If you don't want to do it like this, then use the relation between form number 2 and form number 3. So find A and find theta. So from alpha and beta. So A of k, it is equal to alpha k square plus beta k square under root. So this is 0. And root of square is equal to beta, then it is equal to beta k, which is 4a divided by k pi. And theta k equal to tan inverse of beta divided by alpha. So it is beta k divided by 0, and it is equal to 90 degrees. So then put it in form number 2, it is ak, which is 4a multiplied by k over pi, cosine k omega naught t minus theta minus 90. So then you will get this one. This is form number 3. واضح. أي سؤال, any question? No? Okay.
دكتور
نعم.
أصير تعيد شلون نحصل فورم 3؟
نحصل directly form number 3. الحين احنا للحين ما عرفنا شلون نحصل form 1 و 2 still. قصدك من 1 إلى 3؟
إي إذا عندنا بس 1 نصير
Yes.
نحصل 3.
Oh yes, of course. من هالrelation you can find it, yes. كل اللي نحتاجه إن نوجد what is the relation between AK and AK capital. Okay, so see this. هذه ال AK, which is equal to alpha square plus beta square under root. Then alpha AK small, it is equal to AK minus J beta K divided by 2. Now what is the magnitude of this one? Put it in polar. If you put it in polar, then it's equal to half its constant alpha k square plus beta k square under root. The magnitude. Okay, what is the relation between these two? This part, it is equal to AK. So then the relation between AK and AK small, so AK, the AK magnitude. So it is equal to 2 magnitude of AK. So if you have AK find AK magnitude multiplied by 2, then you will get directly AK. طيب, what's about the angle? اللي هي theta. So here we have theta of K. It is equal to tan inverse beta divided by alpha. Okay, what's about angle of AK? It's equal to tan inverse minus beta divided by alpha. Then it becomes minus. So then what is the relation between this and this? It is just minus. So then AK equal to 2 and theta K, it's equal to minus angle of AK. So then if you want to find from 1 to 3 directly, so AK is given, which is equal to كم كانت في المثال, it's 2A divided by JK pi. 2A divided by JK pi. Okay, learning that this is K belongs to odd. So put it in polar form. So then it is 2A divided by K pi. This is magnitude and angle. So since we have J in denominator, then it is minus 90 degrees. Okay, so then we say that AK capital, it's equal to 2 multiplied by magnitude. This is magnitude. So then it becomes 4A divided by K pi. And theta K, it's equal to minus angle of AK, which is minus 90. So it's equal to 90. Form number 3, we say that it is A naught plus summation of AK cosine K omega naught T minus theta K. So then AK equal to this. Okay, K from 1 to infinity, but it is only odd part. So then this is equal to 0. Okay, so AK is equal to 4A divided by K pi cosine K omega naught minus 90, which is exactly same as for this one. واضح? Yes, so then you can go directly from form number 3 to form number 1, from form number 2 to form number 1, from 1 to 3, and so on. ليش هذه كلها نقدر نسوي؟ لأنها هي أساساً it is one form and we drive the others from one form. So yeah, this is form number 1, then form number 2, it comes from form number 1, and similarly form number 3. واضح؟ أي سؤال آخر؟ طيب. Okay, the important here, if you want to use any form, let me start with form number 1, x of t equal to summation of ak e to the power of jk omega naught t k from minus infinity to plus infinity. Okay, what we want exactly, we have a periodic signal, any periodic signal. Example, this one. This is my x of t. Okay, and I want to express this one in Fourier series. So then if we use form number 1, we need two things, two important things. So we need alpha k, ak, and we need omega naught. Omega naught is very easy. Okay, omega naught, directly you can get it from x of t, which is equal to 2 pi divided by period. So you need to find period of this one, which is, could be from here to here. Okay, or from 0 to this one, so it's the same thing. Okay, how to find AK? Okay, AK, it's not that difficult. You can prove it if we multiplied both sides here by e to the power of minus jk omega naught t. Then we take integration from 0 to t for one full period. Then we get AK. So then AK, it's equal to 1 over t integration from 0 to t, one full period. It is not necessary from 0 to t. مو بشرط من هني إلى t. It could be from t over 2, for example, to t over 4 to 3t, 5t over 4. Okay, one full period anywhere. Okay, it could be from minus t over 2 to t over 2. المهم إنه يكون one full period of x of t. We said that multiplied both sides by e to the power of minus j k omega naught t with respect to t. Okay, this is how we can find alpha ak. So this is form number 1. Okay, for form number 2, x of t equal to a naught plus summation of alpha k cosine k omega naught t plus beta k sine k omega naught t, k from 1 to infinity. Okay, here we need to find omega naught, same way, so it is equal to 2 pi divided by t. We need to find a naught, and a naught, it is just when k equal to 0. K equal to 0, if k equal to 0, then this term equal to 1. So then it is equal to 1 over t, integration from 0 to t of x of t dt. And what is this one? This is the average value of the signal. So one full period from here to here. And it is clear for this one. So since it is odd, area here equal to the area here. So this is positive, this is negative, then it is equal to 0 for this one. Okay, so then A naught is the average value of the signal. Okay, how to find alpha and beta? Okay, this is AK, as we said that. This is my AK. It's equal to 1 over t integration from 0 to t of x of t. Okay, e to the power of minus jk omega naught t, I can write it as it is cosine k omega naught t minus j sine k omega naught t. And we know that A of k is equal to alpha k minus j beta k divided by 2. So it's equal to all this. So then alpha divided by 2 equal to the real part of this one. Okay, so alpha divided by 2 is equal to 1 over t integration of x of t multiplied by cosine. So this is alpha over 2. Then alpha is equal to 2 divided by t. So then alpha k, it is equal to 2 divided by t, integration from 0 to t, x of t cosine k omega naught t dt. طيب. What's about beta? So minus j, and here we have minus j, so then beta over 2 is equal to the imaginary part. So then beta over 2 is equal to 1 over t, x of t multiplied by sine, so beta it's equal to 2 multiplied by. So then beta k, it's equal to 2 divided by t, integration from 0 to t, x of t sine k omega naught t dt. That's all. So once you have alpha and beta and a, then just plug it here in this formula. Then you have Fourier series in form number 2. Any question? طيب. Okay, all these you have it in formula sheet. So this is form number 1, this is form number 2, this is form number 3, as we said that here. شلون نكتب هذه؟ Okay, so I use here A, it's okay. Okay, we use instead of C here, I name it as alpha. C, we name it as alpha, sorry. Okay, here we use N, instead of N, I use K. Okay, this is D, instead of D, I use beta. Okay, here we have E small, instead of E, I use A capital. Then the rest exactly the same. And this is how to find A for form number 1. And this one is the relation between form number 3 and form number 2. Okay, this is how to find alpha and beta. And here, how to find DC value. Okay, so you have all these formulas in formula sheet.
دكتور يفرق لو استعملت اللي في الفورم أو اللي أنت كتبته؟
لا ما يفرق أبد، مجرد رموز. الرمز ممكن تحط أي رمز تبي أنت.
أوكي.
يعني فرضا أنت جيت وغيرت، سميت هذه مثلا K1 K2 K3 K4، أوكي مو مشكلة، المهم التطبيق.
أوكي شكرا.
اوكي خلونا نوضحها الحين. طبعا كله بس مجرد كالكولس، لانه هي انتجريشن في الحقيقه. يعني اذا عرفت القانون وعرفت شو تسوي خلاص، هي نوصل الى الكالكولس تطبيق only. So let me say that we have square wave. This is T. Okay, example. طيب amplitude here it is equal to A and here equal to minus A, and let me say that this is my period T, any number. So find or express this one in form number 1. So we want to find form number 1. Okay, form number 1, معناته it is x of t equal to summation of ak e to the power of j k omega naught t, k from minus infinity to plus infinity. شيئين نحتاج, two things, ak and omega naught. So omega naught, as we said, that it is straightforward. It is just equal to 2 pi divided by t. So from here, we can find it directly. Okay, how to find ak? ak, it is equal to 1 over t, integration from 0 to t of x of t e to the power of minus j k omega naught t dt. Okay. Also, we said that this integration, and we can do it instead of from 0 to t, I can do it from here. نفس الشيء بيطلع لي. From minus t, for example, to 0. نفس الشيء. Or from minus t over 2 to t over 2. Same thing. المهم إنه يكون one full period. So then I can write it as it is 1 over t integration. I'm going to take it from minus t over 2 to t over 2. So whether you take from minus t over 2 to t over 2 or from 0 to 2, يعني we have one part multiplied by a positive, and the second here we have a negative. So we have to split this one into 2. So then it is from minus t over 2 to 0 of positive a multiplied by e to the power of minus j k omega naught t dt plus integration from 0 to t over 2 of a e to the power of minus j k omega naught t dt. Okay, خلاص الحين calculus. So let me take a common. طيب, integration of e, it is e to the power of minus j k omega naught t. Okay, with respect to t, it's mean that divided by j k omega naught. طبعا divided by minus so either put a minus here, as we said, put a minus here, then from minus t to 0, or remove this minus and just change the limit. So then it becomes from 0 to minus t over 2. نفس الشيء. Plus, similarly, for the second one, it is e to the power of minus j k omega naught t okay, again we have minus then change the limit, so then it is t over 2 to 0. And here again divided by e to the power 1 divided by jk omega naught. So we can take jk omega naught common for both. So this is equal to a divided by jk. What is omega naught multiplied by t? So from here, we said that omega naught equal to 2 pi divided by t. So omega naught multiplied by 2, it's equal to 2 pi. So then this is 2 pi. So it is e to the power of minus minus, it becomes positive. jk. Okay, omega naught multiplied by t, as we say that it is equal to 2 pi divided by 2, so it is pi. Minus. At 0, this is equal to 1. Similarly, في شيء غلطنا فيه. Sorry, هنا غلطنا فيه. From 0 to t over 2, it is minus a. The minus. Okay. So then, since this is minus, and we have a minus, then directly we get positive. So then it is from 0. Oops. From 0 to t over 2. Okay, when t equal to t over 2, then we'll get e to the power of minus j k. Again, omega naught multiplied by t, it's 2 pi divided by 2, it is pi. Minus at 0, it is equal to 1. طيب, e to the power of j pi equal to what? Chapter 1. Equal to minus 1. طيب, to the power of k, then this one will be to the power of k. طيب, similarly, e to the power of minus j pi, again equal to minus 1, because minus 180 plus 180 is exactly the same. So then this and this exactly the same. So then it is equal to a divided by j 2 pi k multiplied by الاثنين, it is equal to minus 1 multiplied to the power of k multiplied by 2, because we have 2. Similarly, here we have minus 1, so it is minus 2. So I can take 2 common outside. طيب, 2 cancel with this 2. So when k is even, so then this one is equal to positive. So positive 1 minus 1, then it becomes 0. When k is odd, okay, when k is odd, then this one is equal to minus 1. Minus 1, then it becomes 2. So then it is 2a divided by j K pi. I think you can search for a minus. There is somewhere we forget to multiply by minus. I think so. We can you can just search it. I think it becomes Mafrolicon. It's like this. Okay, so مكان مثل الماينس it's not يعني سهل انك توجدها بالكالكولس. Just go through all these, so then you will get this one. So when as we said that when k it's even, always this one becomes positive, so 1 minus 1 will be equal to 0. And when k it's negative, when k it's negative, then it becomes, this is 2, 1 minus minus 1, so it's 2, so then it becomes 2 divided by jk pi. So then form number 1, x of t equal to summation of 2a divided by jk pi e to the power of jk omega naught t. Okay, for k from minus infinity to plus infinity, but this is only for odd, because even part is equal to 0. So then here, don't forget to put k belongs to odd. Okay, where omega naught equal to 2 pi divided by t. So you can replace this one by 2 pi divided by t if you want, or you can keep it as it is. طيب. So same example, instead of finding form number 1, we want to find form number 2 directly, okay? So of course, if you know what is form number 1, you don't need to redo it again. So just from this form, you can find form number 2, form number 3. But let me say that we don't have that result. ما عندي result. So directly from here, from the waveform, I want to find form number 2. So for form number 2, x of t equal to a naught plus summation of k from 1 to infinity of alpha k cosine k omega naught t plus beta k sine k omega naught t. Okay, A naught, as we said, it is average value. So if you average for value for one full period, then one full period from here to here, then this is positive, this is negative. So then for sure that it is equal to 0. So then A naught directly equal to 0. طيب what is alpha k? Alpha k it is equal to نكتب الدايركت هذه عشان نرجع. So then A naught equal to 1 over t integration of x of t dt, and we say that this is the average value which is equal to 0. حتى بدون ما تروح إلى calculus and put it here, so directly you should know that since it is odd, then directly it is equal to 0. Okay, alpha k, it's equal to 2 over t integration, again one full period, okay, of x of t multiplied by cosine. So one full period, again, if you do it from minus t over 2 to t over 2, so then we have to split it into 2, so from minus t over 2 to 0 of a multiplied by cosine k omega naught t dt plus integration from 0 to t over 2 of minus a cosine k omega naught t dt. And if you calculate this one, okay, إذا جيت خدت الكالكولس وسويت هذه, you will see that this is equal to 0. طيب, what's about beta? Part number 3. So beta k, again, you can write it directly from here. So it is equal to 2 over t, integration from minus t over 2 to 0 of a sine k omega naught t plus integration of minus a sine k omega naught t dt from 0 to t over 2. So if you work with this one, so then we can take 2a divided by t as a constant for both. Okay, from first part, integration of sine, it's cosine. Cosine k omega naught t divided by k omega naught. And integration of sine, it is equal to minus. So either put a minus outside or change the limit. So it's minus t over 2 to 0 plus. Or here we have a minus, so it's minus. Again, this is cosine k omega naught t k, and it's common, divided by k omega naught, again common. So we have a minus here, but again we have a minus from cosine. So minus minus, then this will be equal to plus. So from 0 to t over 2. Now I think we سوينا هني maybe هني الخطأ فيه. Yes. So then this is equal to minus, yeah. So it's from here. Okay, كل اللي عندك الحين just apply calculus. So So this is 2a divided by k, and t multiplied by omega is equal to 2 pi. Okay, here, when minus t over 2, it is cosine. K omega not multiplied by t, it is 2 pi divided by 2, so it's just pi. So minus cosine, it is equal to positive cosine, that's the shape. Minus. Add 0, cosine 0 is equal to 1. Okay, then similarly, you can work with this one. Okay, it's مجرد a substitution. So at the end, you will get 4a divided by k pi. Okay, where k belongs to odd. Okay, you can continue, then you will see that it is equal to this one. Again, same as this. When you substitute with the even, then you will see that it is equal to 0, and with the odd, then you will get 4a divided by k pi. So then form number 2, x of t equal to a naught, it is 0, summation, it is from k equal to 1 to infinity of alpha equal to 0 again. Beta, it is equal to 4a divided by k pi. Okay, 4a divided by pi is constant because the variable here, it's only k, so it is 4a divided by pi outside, multiplied by sine k omega naught t. And that's all. طبعا مثل ما قلنا, if you have form number 1, so you don't need to do all this integration. You don't need to do all these steps. Directly from form number 1, you can find form number 2. Well, opposite صحيح. If you have form number 2, then you don't need to do all these. هاي كلها ما يحتاج نسويها. Okay, so instead of this, then directly we can find form number 1 if you want. Okay, لا تنسى, this is k belongs to odd and omega naught equal to 2 pi divided by t. Any question?